Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you guys the one thing you're probably not aware of that's causing your low back harm. Most people walk into my office when they have back pain, they think that there was just one specific instance that caused them to feel that. Maybe they bent over to pick up their kid, or they were lifting a heavy box or working out in the garden, and all of a sudden they felt their back seize up on them. What we find is that that one instance is usually more of the extra straw that broke the camel's back rather than the only thing that caused it. Usually there's thousands and thousands of repetitions that weren't necessarily ideal for your low back that led you to the point where all of a sudden you became vulnerable and started to feel pain there. My name is Dr. Matt Pennetti. I'm a neurostructural chiropractor here in Centennial, Colorado, and I see a lot of back pain cases in my office every single day. And one of the biggest factors that no one's aware of is what they're doing every day when they get out of bed or when they're on the floor. So let me show you what most people are doing. When they're on their back, whether it's in bed or just getting off of the floor, most people do this. They sit up, or they use a little bit of a boost and then sit up. Both of those create a ton of pressure and buildup in the discs of your low back, and thousands of repetitions later, you're extremely vulnerable to feeling pain. So what's the better way to do it? Well, it's not to do a sit-up. It's to roll to your side and push up with your elbow and your shoulder until you can swing your feet around and then stand up straight.